Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and let me share with you how to enable the blue light filter or eye comfort mode or the night mode. So unfortunately in this model all we can do is simply to turn it on or off. We cannot adjust the intensity of it. So in order to turn on the blue light filter you have to unroll the top bar. So let's do it. And as you can see here, we've got the blue light filter icon, which is right now turned off. It is inactive. In order to turn it on, just tap on it. And I hope that you can see it, that the screen turns a little bit yellowish, a little bit amber. And it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much more comfortable for you to look at the screen in the dim light, for example. So in order to turn it off, you have to tap on this icon again, and the screen turns back to its normal state. So well, unfortunately that's all. This is how to enable the blue light filter in your Samsung Galaxy A11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.